This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to insert rows and columns in a table of Microsoft Word document. So viewers, you can see that in the previous lecture we have learned that how to insert a table in Microsoft Word document. And when you see that, if you click on the table, then you can see the two tabs like designs and layout highlighted on the ribbon. But when I click anywhere in the document instead of the table, then you can see that the design and layout tabs disappears. But when I click on the table like this, then viewers, you can see the design and layout appears on the screen. So this is used for designing purpose. Like when we click on the design tab, then you can see there are lots of things you can see. Like if you want to show the total row, you can highlight it with the help of the total row option from the table style options. And if you click on the last column, you can see the changes. Branded dark columns. For the branded columns, you can use this property. And if you click on the first column, then you can see that this is how it is used. If you want to have the total, then you click the total row option. And if you want to show the headers row, then you can use this header row option. So in this case, if you select such style like tables available in the design tab, you can see that the changes can be seen on the table, and you can use the one you want to use for your table. Like we have multiple table styles, and you can choose your own style. Like here I would like to use this one, and if you want to use a different one like this one, then you can see that you can always use it. And if you see that, you can do the shading as well from the shading option from the table styles, and you can change the borders as well. You can apply borders. You click the whole table and you can apply the borders like this. And if you don't want to, then you can always remove the border options from the table. This way you can apply it different borders. And if you want to view the grid lines, you can always see the grid lines with the help of this. If you change the border shadings, like here in this case, I'm going to select 3-point dotted lines and will apply on it. You can see that you can change the borders of the table this way, and if you want to change it, you can change from here as well. Like if I select the 1 point, then it can be applied on the table like this. But the better way is to go from the border, and from here you can select the 1 point and then you can apply to the whole table this way. And viewers, if you can see that, you can use the eraser from the draw borders tab, and here you can see draw border group have 2 draw tables and eraser. If you want to erase some lines, you can always erase them this way like this. And if you click on the layout tab, here you can see that if you want to add new columns in a table, to add columns to a table, we will follow the given steps. We will first place the cursor in the table. We want to insert a column. Like here in this case, we will select the last column, and like if I remove all these 3 columns from the table this way, and I would like to add more columns, 3 more columns, then we'll place the cursor in the table in this section in the last column, and then we click the layout tab, and from here we will click the insert right or insert left, but here we would like to insert to the right of this table. We will add a new column, and that will be added to the next to the last third column. This is the third column of the table. So when we click it, then viewers, you can see that we can always insert more columns, and if you want to remove it, then we can go to the delete section, and from here we can click the delete columns option from the delete options button. And if you want to add more rows, then you can click the last row, and from here you can insert more rows by first we will to add more rows to a table with all the given steps. First we will place the cursor in the table, like here in this in this case we will click at the last row. We'll place the cursor right over here, and then we'll click the layout tab is already selected. We can click the insert below option. So viewers, you can see this way we can always insert rows to the table, and if you want to delete them, then you can go to the delete button, and you can select the delete rows option right from here. And viewers, you can see that we can always like delete rows from the table. If you want to select and delete a row, you can select a row, and if you want to delete multiple rows at one time, you can select all the number of the rows you want to delete, and go to the delete option and click the delete rows. Then this way you can delete all the rows at once. So viewers, today in this video we will learn how to insert rows, columns, and delete rows and columns from a table, and how to apply designing to a table in Microsoft Word document. So that's all, and thanks for watching.